Battle Bingo! Alright, in today's video, we are going to be covering the basic layout, navigation, and the general tutorial of Battle Bingo. A little bit later, we're going to be playing an actual game, so we'll end this so we can talk about some strategy and some ways that you can win this game, perhaps more often than not. I want to stress, however, this is not a money-making app. This is a fun game that you can play that maybe you might get some money out of should you win the game, and maybe use some of the techniques that I'm going to teach you when I play a game to maximize your odds of victory. But this is not something that you have enough control over the mechanics of the game to actually gamify it, to make it that you can always win or win enough times that you're guaranteed to have a positive cash flow day. It is built into the game algorithmically for you to lose. You have your peaks and your valleys, but unfortunately, as any investor will tell you, it is very unlikely that you will sell at the very top of the peak or that you will buy at the bottom of the valley. And much the same here. Once you win, you feel like you're going to win again and you have the money, and then you spend it on a higher stakes game, and then you lose that game and you no longer have the money. So, don't use this as a way to make money. Use it as a fun thing that you can do that will maybe give you some side cash and might be a better use of your time than TikTok videos while you're using the lavatory. So first off, here we have this bottom navigational bar. I'm going to start over here on the rank. Within this, and kind of within all of the screens, we have this upper bar as well, which allows us to hit the plus, which will allow you to deposit money into this game. You can hit the plus on the gems, which will allow you to purchase gems, which you can do various things, kind of like an in-game currency you can use to spin the bonus wheels and those sort of things. Some of the games have entry fees that are gems. Over here, I can click on my little face. Here, I can log out. I can change my settings, change my contact, withdraw, that sort of thing. This app only integrates with PayPal, which is free for everyone to use almost in every country. So if you don't have a PayPal, I would suggest that you get one. It's a great little service, and this is the only way that you can withdraw your money from this game. I, of course, will have a link in the description of this video that should you use it, or the code, if you already have the app downloaded, you can just punch in my code and it will give you $3 bonus to play in the game. And I believe it will also give me $3 bonus to play in the game, which is really cool, which is a great way to start yourself off with a little more money and be able to enter some higher stakes games. And should you have the stars align and use some of the strategy that we're going to talk about here in a second, perhaps you can win some more and enter some even higher stakes games and get some more money. Here, the records tab is the history of games and my winnings and losses. The most valuable thing about this tab is I can click on one of these and it will go into the actual game itself, show me my rank, and what each player, most importantly, got out of it. Because I had to pay an entry fee in order to play this game. I believe it was $1. We can see here that this game, even though I won, quote unquote, and I came in third place, I got 70 cents, I'm actually down 30 cents. So it's a good way to gauge what you're paying and what you're getting depending on which rank you get. The first and second rank, we can see, did walk away with a positive earnings from the amount they had to pay to enter the match. We're going to skip the bingo because we're going to end there. That's where you play the game. Over here in gifts, this is kind of where you want to start every day, because you can come in here, go to your little lucky box at the upper left-hand corner there, collect that. I already did mine. Apparently in 3 minutes and 47 seconds, I can do it again. It gives you some gems, occasionally give you 5, 10 cents, that sort of thing. There's the daily reward, which you just want to check every day. I already collected mine. For every subsequent day in a row that you log into the app, it will give you higher and higher bonuses. They have inserted this game very cleverly with many carrots to keep you coming back and to incentivize you to continue being on the app and spending your time and money here. The bronze wheel, this is where we go. We can enter matches with these diamonds. We can also spin the bronze wheel, and should I rank up my bronze position, I can access higher and higher wheels, which you can kind of see the corner of one off to the side. That would be the silver wheel, the next one, once I increase my rank and get out of the bronze league, which again is just another carrot to keep you playing the game more. The way you win leagues is by playing more games, collecting these crowns, another in-game currency, and the person who has collected the most crowns over a certain period of time, usually a couple days, will rank up and have access to these new bonus features. Let's go ahead and spin the wheel. Costs 10 diamonds. And look at that 1 penny. You will find that you suspiciously get the 1 penny winnings a lot more than you do the other options. I wonder why that is. Here's my little get friends. You can see that I've invited 1 out of 15 people. And again, if you use the link or the code in the description beneath this video, you can get yourself 3 free dollars. The store is the next tab. This is where you'd go to deposit money into the app or to purchase the diamonds. Now there's something I want to talk about that's really clever and tricky, and I don't think a lot of people understand, and it's kind of devious in this page right here. So you can see if you deposit $35, they're going to give you 7 bonus dollars. Bonus dollars, what are those? Well, they're dollars that you can use in the game as if they were actual dollars. However, should you ever try to withdraw a bonus dollar, you will not be able to do that. So it is a real dollar as far as this game is concerned, but outside of this game, it is not a real dollar. You cannot even pull it out of the game. You couldn't spend it on anything. It's an in-game currency cleverly hidden by giving it the name bonus dollars, which makes you think that you're getting more actual dollars, which it's not. Now, when you go to remove and withdraw your money from this game, and a lot of these type of games, what they will do to further incentivize you to not do that is you will sacrifice any bonus dollars that you should have in your bank. So if you're trying to pull out $25 and you have 6 bonus dollars, you will be able to pull out the $25, but you will just flush these $6 of bonus dollars down the drain. Don't allow this to affect you too much if you need that $25. They're not real dollars. They were never real dollars. Don't worry about it. But it is kind of sad when you have $31 and you can only pull out $25. Same thing with the dollars awarded should you use the link in the description below. Those will be bonus dollars. You can't use that link, sign up for the game, and then pull out $3. Nope. Those will be bonus dollars. You'll never be able to pull those out of the game. Now, you can use them to play higher stakes games and then win real money. So they do have a higher value, but they are not real dollars. I just want to make sure that that's clear. Another clever, tricky thing that they do with bonus dollars is they automatically use bonus dollars as the entry fee for games. So if you have that scenario, $25 and 6 bonus dollars, then and you play a $3 game, it will use your bonus dollars as the entrance fee. Now, any winnings up to the amount of your entrance fee, so $3 in this instance, would be also considered as bonus dollars. So if you won $6, you would only get 3 actual dollars. You're all confused. You're like, I won that game. I got $6. Why can I only pull out 3? Because it automatically pays for the game with the bonus dollars and then receives the earnings up to the amount of your entry fee in bonus dollars. So just another tricky way that they keep your money. They're the real winners here. Again, why this is not a money-making app, but a fun thing that we can do. All right, let's play a game. So we're going to play this starter special, 2 times left, prize pool. So this is $5, only 5 players. I much prefer lower winnings and less money than higher counts. So the first thing that I'm doing is focusing on speed. So as the balls come up, you will see that they have a color. I'm matching with my eyes the corresponding matching color on the rows there at the top. And then only looking down that one column. So I'm not looking over the entire board, which will take forever and you'll never get the quick dot bonuses. I'm just looking over those certain columns. Now, what I almost made a mistake there was not using those things that pop up, those little bonus power-ups down at the bottom. Because if your bar is full and you keep hitting these dabs, you will lose some of the points that go to acquire more of said power-up juice. I-19. There are different power-ups. Give you time. Some of them allow you to hit specific numbers. Others will give you double points. Should we get the double points one, we're going to save that to the very end, which is why I'm not hitting any bingos right now. I'm talking too much and not thinking. Which is why I'm not hitting the bingo right now, because should I get that, I'm going to hit all my bingos at the very end and stack all of those points. 44, I know we need some there. Okay,
G48.
Cool. 48.
I-28.
28. All right, we've got to keep an eye up on the clock over there. I know it seems silly, but I tell you, I have certainly, we want to hit that corner.
G50.
I have certainly forgotten to hit my bingos and had the time run out on me, and you feel like a foolish fool when it happens. So keep an eye on it. You can win by getting one in each of the corners. Oh, there's another one. Nice, real fast. The end there. You can win by getting one in the 4 corners, diagonal, or any consistent row filled out all the way left or right or up and down. Ah, man, this came in fourth. I'm gonna blame you guys because I was just talking while playing. No, that was not your fault. It was mine for being a clumsy oaf, and you know, I might have played a perfect game, which I certainly did not, but I might have and still lost because, again, you can't control enough of this game by playing well to make sure that you always win. Hopefully next time we get better. Hope this helps you guys. Again, please do not use this as a way to sink your money into because you need to make a quick buck. This is not the way to do it. Though it is legit, I promise you, I have pulled money out of this app before and received money from it. So it is legit. You actually can pull money from it. Though, like I said, they try to trick you with those bonus dollars and really incentivize you to not pull money out and only put money in. Because of course, that's when they make money. All right, everyone, I hope this helps. May luck be with you.